What are the ways that you can make $4,000 per month in passive income? The main reason why people go to a job that they hate is not because they like sitting in traffic or making someone else rich, but because they know they can't pay their bills without the income that job makes them. The best thing you can do to get out of this routine, though, is to buy assets with the income you make from that job. These will pay for all of your expenses and the things you want to buy. Welcome to Don't Fear Finance. Being stuck in a job that you hate sucks. And most of the time, people don't know how to get out of it. Today we're going to talk about many different ways that you could create passive income streams that let you quit your job and enjoy the rest of your life. These won't be extremely risky or frowned upon investments like peer-to-peer lending, but things that are more simple and straightforward to begin doing. First, there's affiliate programs. There are many ways to create passive income with affiliate programs. There are two main ways that you can create passive income through it. One is to build an online presence, which takes a long time, or you put your links into other people's videos, photos, and posts in general. I have no clue how to make money with the latter without creating any videos. The good thing about affiliate programs is that you can mention it once or twice in your videos, and it can make you more money than AdSense if you have an online presence. The ways you can join an affiliate program is to search up the website that you want to promote and the niche that you want to work in. When you find the product or service that you're interested in promoting, then you put it in the description of an influencer's or your own posts. This will create passive income as long as it's in every description of every post or video. If you market this correctly, it could exceed making $4,000 per month. 2. Vending machines. If you know where to put the vending machine and what to put in it, then you could get a lot of traffic to it. Every week or every month, you can go to each machine and see how much it made. Many vending machines cost in between $600 to $1,000. If you buy a box or two of candy for $15 or $20 and sell that candy for $2 each, then you'll make a lot of money back, and if you get a lot of traffic, you can make it back quickly. Be sure to cut the owner of the building a percentage of money you make from it, because you're putting it in their building and it wouldn't be possible without them. You won't be able to make $4,000 per month from one vending machine, so you're gonna have to set up many different vending machines in many different locations to make $4,000 per month. If you're either really into doing photography or good at doing photography, then you would love to take stock photos and sell them to sites like Pixabay. This is where I get most of my images and videos from for Don't Fear Finance. They are beautiful. Whenever someone downloads your photo or video, then you get a certain amount in commissions. If your photos do very good, then you can make $4,000 per month easily. Your passion could then become your job. The stock market. The stock market is quite an interesting thing to invest in. There are many ways you can make passive income. You could invest enough money into the market to give you the perfect return for your goal to hit $4,000 per month. This means that you'll be using the 4% rule, which ensures that you'll be taking out enough money to live off of, but you don't take out too much that you won't have too little to grow to live off of next year. The 4% rule wants you to take out 4% of the total growth of your investments each year. Since the stock market grows at a 7 to 13% growth rate per year, you are shielding yourself from overspending one year and underspending the other. So why not spend all of this growth? Well, if you did, you wouldn't be factoring in the rates of inflation. The average inflation rate is 1 to 2%. This leaves you with 5% of your gross investment. The last 1% is a buffer in case anything goes wrong, like the stock market having a poor year or quarter. The second option is investing in dividend stocks. This will pay you a set amount back based on the value of the stock. Let's say that your stock is valued at $50. The dividend yield is at 3% per year. Each year you would get back $1.50 on each stock. If you wanted to get back $4,000 in dividends, then you would have to invest over $1.3 million. If you've watched previous videos, then you know what I'm going to talk about next. Real estate. These are one of these investments that require a lot of work up front, especially if you're investing in physical real estate that you want to rent out to people. Having tenants live in a property that you bought is a good way to earn passive income, because the income you make will always be consistently the same unless there is a problem. If you rent out enough properties, then you can make $4,000 per month and even more if you want. There's another option besides investing to rent. You could put your home up on Airbnb. So then you can have people living in your house for 1 or 2 nights and you don't have a long-term commitment, and if you need to live in your house, then you can just take it off of Airbnb for a week or 2. If you want to start a business, then you can buy many homes and have many people work for you to make it very automatic. If you have have many homes or let people stay in your home for a high price, then you can make $4,000 per month quite easy. There's so many options that you can pick from if you're interested in investing in real estate. That's the video for today. Thanks for watching until the end. If you want to see more of these videos, then like and subscribe with all notifications on and comment down below what you want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.